In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can upload your image on Midjourney. And by uploading your image on Midjourney, Midjourney can create different variation out of the image you upload, alright? So that's what Midjourney does. And let me show you guys how you guys can upload it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. And for people who do not know Midjourney, in the basic form, Midjourney is an AI on Discord which can create image out of the text you write. You can see the example. It described the type of image it wanted and it created it over here. So that is what Midjourney does. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can upload an image over here. So the first thing is you want to open Midjourney and you want to go to the server of Midjourney. Once you're in the server of Midjourney, make sure you're in the newbies tab. Alright, once you're in the newbies tab where it says message, click on it, and on message you want to write /describe like this. Once you write this, it's going to show you this. Click on describe and it's going to give you this option. Now what you want to do is click on it. Once you do that, you can choose the type of image you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this image. I can click on it and it's going to appear over here. Once it appears over here, I can just press enter and it'll be uploaded on Midjourney's Discord server. So just like this, I press enter, it'll be uploaded. It's going to take a bit of time, but it will upload. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can upload any image you want on Midjourney Discord server. And it's going to show me what kind of variation I want. It shows me over here. I can choose the option I want and it'll create a different variation out of it like this. So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I will see you guys next time.